Hello, I hope everything is going well today. We're going to talk about Mintos. Now you can invest in bonds and even ETFs. I currently have a total of 1693 euros invested in loans. As for the profit, I'm at 80 euro in total since I started investing on Mintos. It's been 2 years since I invested on Mintos, but I've gradually adjusted my investments over time. Regarding delays on traditional loans, most loans are up to date, except for some small amounts overdue by 1 to 60 days. There are no loans in default or overdue for more than 60 days. Next, we move on to Mintos's new features, bonds and ETFs. I have currently invested 100 euro in bonds and 50 euro in ETFs. For the bonds, we have a Leving Group with a yield of 13% and a maturity in 2028, with the first coupon due in 4 days. For the ETFs, there is diversification with 5 different ETFs. For ETFs, Mintos offers a basket of ETFs rather than a single ETF. You can invest in this basket, which includes a Mundi Prime Global ETF, JP Morgan Global Research Index Equity ESG ETF, etc. Diversification is therefore intrinsic. Mintos also allows the sale of ETFs. You need to place an order that will be executed during stock exchange opening hours. ETF management fees are included in the ETF price. Finally, I focus on some details about the performance of ETFs. All seem to be performing well. For bonds, performance is ongoing and requires monitoring. In summary, my experience on Mintos is generally positive, with good profit and increased diversification thanks to the new features of bonds and ETFs. See you soon!